What if I told you that 25 minutes could change everything about how you work? Most people think they need hours of uninterrupted time to get things done. So they wait for the perfect moment, the perfect day, the perfect conditions, and they wait forever. Meanwhile, there's a simple technique used by millions of people worldwide that breaks work into 25-minute focused bursts, and it's more effective than working for hours straight. It's called the Pomodoro Technique, and today you're going to learn exactly how it works, why it's so powerful, and how to use it to transform your productivity. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your work the same way again. The Pomodoro Technique is deceptively simple. Work for 25 minutes with complete focus, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat. That's it. After 4 cycles, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The technique was created in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo, who used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer to track his work sessions. Pomodoro is Italian for tomato. The method has since been adopted by millions because it works with your brain's natural rhythms instead of against them. Here's why it's powerful. 25 minutes is short enough that you can commit fully without feeling overwhelmed. You're not committing to hours of work, just 25 minutes. Anyone can do 25 minutes. But it's long enough to make real progress. You can write a page, code a function, solve a problem, or make meaningful progress on almost any task. The forced break prevents burnout and mental fatigue. And the time constraint creates urgency. You know you only have 25 minutes, so you work with focus and intensity instead of drifting. This simple structure, focus, break, repeat, leverages several psychological principles that make productivity feel natural instead of forced. Why 25 minutes specifically? Why not 30 or 60? There's science behind this. Your brain can maintain peak focus for about 20 to 25 minutes before attention starts to drift. This aligns with what neuroscientists call an ultradian rhythm. Your brain operates in cycles throughout the day. Approximately every 90 to 120 minutes, you go through peaks and valleys of alertness. Within those larger cycles are smaller attention cycles of about 20 to 25 minutes. The Pomodoro Technique works with these natural cycles instead of fighting them. Additionally, 25 minutes creates the right amount of psychological pressure. Too short, like 10 minutes, and you can't get into deep work. You're just getting started when the timer goes off. Too long, like 60 minutes, and your brain starts anticipating the end. You lose focus halfway through. 25 minutes hits the sweet spot. It's long enough to dive deep, but short enough that your brain doesn't resist. And here's the key. Knowing there's a break coming makes it easier to maintain focus. You're not trying to focus forever, just for 25 minutes. Your brain can handle that. And once it learns the pattern, focus, break, it stops resisting and starts cooperating. Let's make this practical. Here's exactly how to implement the Pomodoro Technique. Step 1. Choose your task. Pick one specific task, not a vague goal like work on project. Something concrete like write the introduction section or code the login feature. Step 2. Eliminate distractions. Put your phone in another room. Close unnecessary tabs. Tell people you're unavailable for 25 minutes. Step 3. Set timer for 25 minutes. Use your phone timer, a physical timer, or a Pomodoro app. The key is making the time visible. Step 4. Work with complete focus. For these 25 minutes, you do only this task, nothing else. If another task pops into your head, write it down quickly and return to your work. Step 5. When the timer goes off, stop. Even if you're in the middle of something, even if you want to keep going, stop. This discipline is important. Step 6. Take a 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, walk around, look out a window. Don't check email or social media. Give your brain real rest. Step 7. Repeat. Start another 25-minute session. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. The system is simple, but simplicity is the point. Complicated systems fail. Simple systems stick. Most people try the Pomodoro Technique and make critical mistakes that undermine its effectiveness. Mistake 1. Breaking the timer rule. You're in the zone, the timer goes off, and you think, I'll just keep working. Don't. The break is not optional, it's essential. Your brain needs recovery to maintain performance across multiple sessions. Mistake 2, fake breaks. Scrolling social media or checking email isn't a break. Your brain is still processing information. Real breaks: move your body, look at nature, close your eyes, breathe deeply. Mistake 3, working on multiple tasks in one Pomodoro. The technique only works with single tasking. One Pomodoro, one task, no exceptions. Mistake 4, setting unrealistic task expectations. Don't try to finish your entire project in one Pomodoro. Break tasks into 25-minute chunks. Mistake 5, skipping the longer break. After 4 Pomodoros, you need 15 to 30 minutes of real rest. Skipping this leads to afternoon crashes. Mistake 6, not tracking your Pomodoros. Keep count. Write down each completed Pomodoro. This creates accountability and motivation. Mistake 7, ignoring energy levels. Don't force Pomodoros when you're completely exhausted. Sometimes you need real rest, not just a 5-minute break. When you avoid these mistakes, the technique transforms from something I tried into the way I work. The standard 25-5 pattern works for most tasks, but you can adapt it based on your needs. For deep creative work, try 50-minute work sessions with 10-minute breaks. Creative work often needs longer immersion time. For routine tasks, use 25-5, perfect for emails, administrative work, light editing, organizing. For learning and studying, stick to 25-5. Your brain absorbs information better in shorter, focused bursts with frequent breaks. For physical work, adjust as needed. Physical work has different fatigue patterns than mental work. For meetings and calls, use Pomodoros to limit meeting length. We have one Pomodoro to solve this problem. The key principle remains focused work followed by intentional rest. Don't be rigid. The technique serves you. You don't serve the technique. If 25 minutes feels too short for a particular task, try 40-10 or 50-10. If 25 minutes feels too long when you're exhausted, try 15-5. Experiment, find what works, then be consistent with it. The magic isn't in the exact numbers, it's in the rhythm of focus and recovery. One of the most powerful applications of the Pomodoro technique is beating procrastination. Here's why it works. Procrastination happens when a task feels overwhelming. Your brain sees a huge project and resists starting. But 25 minutes, that's not overwhelming. It's just one small chunk. The Pomodoro technique removes the psychological weight of finishing and replaces it with just start for 25 minutes. This is transformative. Instead of thinking, I need to write this entire report, which is overwhelming, you think, I'll work on this report for one Pomodoro. Manageable. Often, the hardest part is starting. Once you're 10 minutes into a Pomodoro, momentum takes over. And here's what frequently happens. You finish one Pomodoro and realize the task isn't as bad as you thought. So you do another, then another. Before you know it, you've completed something you've been avoiding for weeks. The technique also removes the all or nothing mentality. You don't need hours of free time. You just need 25 minutes. Everyone has 25 minutes. No more excuses. No more, I'll do it when I have time. Set one Pomodoro, start, see what happens. That's how you beat procrastination. Not with motivation, with a system that makes starting inevitable. The Pomodoro technique isn't just a productivity hack, it's a mindset shift. It teaches you that you don't need endless hours to get things done, you need focused minutes. It shows you that breaks aren't weakness, they're strategic recovery that sustains performance. It proves that consistency beats intensity. 4 focused 25-minute sessions beat one scattered 2-hour session every time. Most people overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do in 25 focused minutes repeated consistently. Start tomorrow. Pick your most important task, set a timer, work for 25 minutes with complete focus, take a 5-minute break, repeat. Do this for 1 week and you'll be shocked at how much you accomplish. The timer is ticking. Your 25 minutes start now.